Yes, so a lot of people ask or wonder if IVF pregnancy is different from a pregnancy that is spontaneously conceived. Well, IVF pregnancy is just like a spontaneous conception pregnancy. The only difference now is how fertilization takes place. So when it comes to pregnancy ongoing, yes, in an IVF pregnancy, the first trimester is very, very important. Yes, because you'll be on some form of hormonal treatment at that period. And yes, you do not want to joke with your hormonal medications in an IVF pregnancy at the first trimester. But once you're done with your hormonal treatments after first trimester, every other medication that you get to have in another pregnancy that is not an IVF pregnancy is same for an IVF pregnancy. Only thing is this: people tend to pay a lot of attention to an IVF pregnancy because yes, they know one must have gone through a lot to get to that point where they are, so they do not want to at any point do anything that will be pose a danger to the pregnancy. Yeah, they usually call them precious baby. Well, it doesn't make it different from a spontaneous conceived pregnancy. They are all same. Yes, delivery, everything is still normal. Development of the baby in the uterus is the same for an IVF pregnancy with a non-IVF pregnancy. Even development of the baby after delivery is the same. Yes, sometimes you get some funny comments from this women that have had IVF even after delivery. My baby is crying. Can I give the baby this? You know, they have this so much attention, like, okay, because this baby is conceived through IVF, they just feel like there's an extra thing that needs to be done, but they are all normal babies. If you ask me, I would say they are almost beyond normal babies because it's the best of sperm that is selected and the best of egg that is selected to fertilize and then achieve pregnancy. But however, it doesn't stop them from being the same with a spontaneous conceived pregnancy. So please debunk your notion as to saying there's a difference. There are no difference. Babies are the same once they are giving birth. So even the pregnancy process is the same. There's no difference, please. So I really do hope that that notion is cleared off your head.